Radio, the distinguished radio presenter, and the lady with the most educational, motivational, and entertaining program. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Mama ZIMBI.
Let us pray. O Almighty Lord and everlasting God, vouchsafe, we beseech thee, to direct, sanctify, and govern both our hearts and bodies in the ways of thy laws and in the works of thy commandments, that through thy most mighty protection, both here and ever, we may be preserved in body and soul. The blessing of God Almighty, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost be amongst you and remain with you always, through our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ.
Adom FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us now.
Adom FM say,
ma Mamima obi biara akwaba Ghana hani amanonifo nyinara Imamu, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Nyami. Oh yeah. Nyami. Oh yeah. We are seeing fane nyinara the whole world. Yesu fre nyame baako pe. Odafo ene woti ase a. Hunu se Yesu nyamia oyo wa weni bibiara nso nuye ono na okasa adi nyinara eyedi bibiara so no ye menye ne ten na mekoso ada ase so wa ye mre na mafra wo yiri ana wukunu so wa ha so ni ha what kind of say I was so otie ODO AHOMASO ni nuaba AKUMAA na busuani AKUMAA na damfu AKUMAA mama ZIMBI ni di hia ba ko pe ototo bonso atukofu nyame aduma yetia si emra coronavirus aje wiase nyina fa edi ohu na ahye obi biare mu but esanse ekone ba emmeme bi eni emba bi etimi jira no ntino ye ma ye chifo ohu se ohu bi akayen ni nyina ye nyame papa ye da se wate erade ye da sio na wonnim say the year 2020 in the month of March and February and April no this is what is going to happen sa so for kukudam kasa impenifo kukudam kasa mo si we ebin sida enso nia ensida no eno na woma esie papa eyarahumo enigiemu ohiemu sikemu ahohiahiemu ahotomo papa yeda say your good word says in everything let's give thanks. It's papa yeda say what ni yegusu sufre wo se baby edu die age se wa papa baby edu die age se wa ni enim se ekodu 100 no anke ebetse no na ye 98 na ba 96 na ba 94 na ba 92 na saba 90 na se eba form but anko yesa say we are 400 plus na 400 plus yimwe anka nanyimre wodi wa dom na dom me na se dey am ye ni mre bebre to de bia me ni matiefuo ni mahwefo enkwa na e program yi anka be ni sei na anka nea mi be bisa e ODO AHOMASO the other show and it say okunu ni wayire so ma ye bibia wie na ebuo wo ho entiasie wo ho nyamisro wo ho odomapa wo ho ni ebenya empam nkutahudi a anka obebisa me se na eye wo ya na ana say ye wo de minya ya na asa mentua so na oyira hwe okunu anim ana okunu so hwe oyira anim makasa ene de what surprise me ene de eba ne sen na me koda hinni na babia me da ye na me pese me da hosa ehu aba wo bia krakra ne ho wankasa wo yimu bakra oben wa na wusro ebi say ensese ye ben ye ho bebre in a day nyame aduna de pachi anya ebinu timi huru monsa 50 times before the night comes ebitimi huru 30 ebitimi huru 20 ebitimi huru 10 ebikwatimi huru more than saying enunti no na ahweye aba se wo se ehwe ehu ye enso wawa eni ahumtse eni hu se nipai enti oye nipa ana sebi oyaboa owani ana oni eni owansun ana oni asun oh my anka nyumre san komo ni eba bebo mana kama enso no about 4 hours to the time no a beautiful woman called me wo ba fe frame yo na me ne kasa me so wow said ye woni e day sanso na de wa ho fe ebeyo Wakaka ye bobo man, I'm so wow. We are sure. Are you serious? We are sure, say coronavirus mri and I covered 19. The new cover 19 mu and I watch say wuknu esa. Na wuknu no so yesa no. Am penifon so ama womo tie ye. Na womo say de ekosom de futu obaye no. Yeah. Oh, Papa Yansen of blessed memory. The ye what say? Yempenifo mu nim nyum to. Osu okuku seku. Okuku seku. Onipa ni hu ye hu. Enti suro nipa ne gya saman. Enu nti no enne so wa kudro na so be kwa musi obetimi akọ. Se nipa wu a ne wawu. Ghana, Africa, and not the whole world. Sometimes ya ni ekue ho. Odo for me ma me kasa anya tenten. Emra me streaming life yi. Na enen so pese wo ti ene no. Me wo 1 2 3. Na ye tie one a ye be discuss mu. Afi ye discuss mu wi an ma san di 2 na ba. Ye tie 2 ni wi an asan discuss mu. Me kan ye discuss e bo mu nkomo a na ye hye me activate phone lines na e de amount. Odo for ye se wonim owu a e ya hwe na. Enso bo otimi hu ena sa wonim se owu. Sabi e na ye ne se ye nkwa. Nyankopon kwa no wuyi ena dai toso miensa osoriye said enedue menimo baba ya odo ahomaso na etema be pompe na Nyankopon was sorry no. He's the only person timi sorry na miensa as I speak. I na Holy Saturday, whether you believe it or not, for your sin and my sin and all of us are sin, he's still suffering. And so there toso miensa no ejane sorry ye ema wo ene me ene wi asef na nyina ye de ye nyankwa odofo hwe yeso wi abofo nsa no ahwe nsa wate ni a opese ye ma na ye ma wankasa wo ho ana opese ye ma na ye ma wonua enti eni nua ba pa no bi di we di na anka obesa me nka ma na nya tenten crowd odofo me yentie ne a ekoso ewa baba we fefefe eni ni kruntem mediane AKUMAA mama ZIMBI ubana onim dada wa kantata no asobo dazi kantata no ayamia minie medem ase ewo montete pa amode ama me na medisu na enne mitimi gina monim na mede afutu emamo esan se mode entete pa na mode ama me mentimi nya muda mede obi bia ase bi obi bo bia no ese mu nya crowd right from nua fro bia so ntie Adom 106.3 FM. Yes, we light on our Facebook too. Netie mu ye na yesu twem obi amfichire na se what to say yesi eja na ehyi de amayo wudi mrika na wakoye ye wudi ehu ye ana oti se obi efu ohia enma na yetin class na ye papa no ye efom do efu no ye efo no edu hamata mre se ya na ye do de efu no nyama space ebem be 2 years se be anyam bia ni a wonim de ekro no kosoja bia edu ho ano na eja na wu. And so for 20 years by God's grace in Samiya but it keep repeating itself, those bad issues. And your good ones gonna repeat itself. But me tiasi. Nenya me na adun das womuno. I would never get tired. Every time I'll say it. And it's for your love and for everybody. I just love you the way you love me. Which one? African is here. Now, is it on one? Which one? Okay, good.
Hello. Moment passion ye tell say. Me kwe juma baya me be hu sano. Me checking your phone and I me home photos no. So on your banner picture e wo demo ho. With my own bed sheets, I made me sick out celebrating my 2 years anniversary. Just last 3 months around November more. Sa bed sheets no use to ye. Esa use to men toma esa de count. Nti media. Send the pictures anyway. I'm a friend penny for me and be. Na me de to him say and I me kunaye. No, Miss Aunt's evidence be na me wo. Na me the pictures no. True mo. So, omo frame me kunu say na mabeka. No bisa omo say ono for baby am by na me. Then I try say ono no do baba. No mo ka try ni say oh, me the evidence I bet you mo say ni. And they kind no pacho. Not knowing say a fiti hono. San crofo mienu na bibu omu. ede me kunu ekọ tena ase ne omo ka asem no omo baako edem ena sisi me kunu person ne girl ni hia wode ne ko no aka no se o ku edwuma na wakọhye na danfofo ne baako dem nti ombe close omka asema teacher se enko edwuma bi mu no okọ night opon be for me kunu pon wa won be fie me da share me friend no me friend na
hey mama Zimbi
wapon no ba me hu na ofri sa side ho to me observe yes for 1 week na me san from penny for almost san for 2 no me ka show me so mo ya de bia me ni nje ho how say me kunu be con night eja na yere ne ba ho beba ahomache abesin abo mo ho obehu ye fie ni mpo asa na wakọ bebi o kọ na distance o ahu se ni dan ni embe check on ne yere ne mba na obesin akọ den komo pu no mo wa omontimi advice ne say o ya ya kofi ansa na waba not knowing say sa week na okukọ ha machi ni nyina no girl no hye ho ntimi me ka me from o ka say we no ba ko bufuye nyode o ma ne dan no man yesa no ni bufuye say me control me kunu so ho de me di boy na temi ye pa fito okra me ne nye fine up
Adom FM 106.3
be lockdown nti den aya fiska no brantem na me ntimi nko market nko to niema embe to se nye be ya ho nkyere yen me kunu je salary over 800 cedis or the 100 cedis per and a buy fee eno so me koka oso de kanti oji ni pay no nkofo nyina na ba ma be na be deka esen ne salary nde man kasa after all me ye adwuma nti me nso me fa me ho adwen wo say enya de ameboa ne nso bio o diska be fia me ye adwane ama na edi wan fiska be fia opia me ne me ba ye be ye adwane edi not knowing say lady that same lady now ode ne be fia ode ne kwana danfofo no ho no girl na nyem nti ska na ogie no ode akoma girl no eyi nyinsen no but before girl ne buy e ba me dem me frɛ girl ne kasae menene kasa we minim ne girl no ka hwɛ me kunu na minim ne me kunu ka hwɛ no ama girl na a block me a blacklist me number nti mame pacho sisia no masa friend penyimfo bio enene 3 days ama mo ne me kunu akasa ba onye na adwen sɛ obejai nti menye ma adwen sɛ asɛm we mesa ka ho asɛm bio na emom ne mpɛsɛ me di me kunu bɔne no hu sɛ ne oye no eye me ya cause efutu ni nyina ye de ama no ne wo se me ye as oyeri nyina ma ye ma bisa no me no mo nsem nyina o se enye bibia ade ne wo so wo yesa to the extent say o de oba ni be fie o de oba ni be ko wadan fofo that same friends no e be sa de wa kwa abonten na area ha no as asemo no elikia ma to the extent say obi enim nti maami na me ko friend no ni kunu ka hwere me ka asem ni we o ka hwere mi so wonim na asem no esan say emu ye dunti o ti me friend me preko pe en kan hwere me sa no mi sam say me den hu ye nso me bompa e pa nti o yes anye me sense nti me sense wi a na me ankasa ma ya me background check na me hu no kre no nti oni ni kunu friend no it nas over 3 hours omutu no fo ekanyom meka eso ma girl no embe pacho enye sa de na ode paper girl na se no me still me keep sa de enye sa ombe kire me bibi na me da ye girl ni bone me san se me kuno believe say me ntimi nya hwe nti no still ono mponi buefu nti efitu ho o onda mpa ne subio oye yuane ano no nso akoto na ade foforo oso enu ne do no kon unless e komo ne de ne pa oniska na obedi yuane no tuma me mesrew mi hia we futuo pa mi hia we futuo nyesa wanhwa na makodi boni an system di because manya ka hwere ni se oma girl no be pacho nso omo pacho no mo ntem atete enya sa na ebesi no enyefe Ntimpacho masem nyina no no medase.
Adeshimaima first one ena yedi akwakogui medase so nya abotre na watie na wahu de ekro me kan sa mi anka so me de banwe anasesem no maka anka wa hwa beka se me de bi aka ho na mma o ma me ho kwan so onye sei aye won pa jo fa mo messages no a comment na and starting my Facebook making kind ni nyina e de amamo me yento aso ewo okay Debbie mami kinkan Facebook ni kakra mami kinkan Facebook ni kakra odo ahomaso ni o adeshuman ba ayo won hu hu keke mmeme bi
AKUMAA mawe ZIMBI ODO AHOMASO AKUMAA mawe ZIMBI Adom FM
emahi na nka ombetimi ehu we yesu uye bibia na ma nyankopon odi wanimu kan a o ma ne nche bebre no abiebie ne maso e de amaw esense we ni yem na odi do ni kunu ana we ni yem odi do ne yiri nti no se baako e twa ma ne hia ana baako e fa ekwan a esu ye tum so a eye nipa ne nya atenka bi ne instance e ma ne hu na to so so a wontimi ehwe yemisa se ba ne sen eba mawari just 2 years enye 20 years enye 19 years enye 30 years enye 35 years enye 25 years enye 19 years enye 15 years enye 10 years some of them you know magicians and bebre are saluting their wives and husbands sharp it is working and happening what you say 800 Ghana now the 100 Ghana aba enemri munso emma wunnim se wode wun misise wunnim kra se be meyi owoyere wanya time anya your own investigation na wotwemu kika wonti wayase omyom nti ne yire ene ne untumem if you are untumem eno nkyere se betime if you are untumem a wode ahya wardrobe mu wode ahya wo air tight bi mu ebetimi abo na afuntima ma ono otowo dan so ana de only one patem ana de only kwa sorry ana de only ye adwuma hwe de chimaima nipa bi ni mu timu eden ehu wanwa sometimes said you mo behave na nka nipa da sani etimu te se brofre ana abroba anka wo sensia na wo twitwa wo behu ama no banan say we are siankasa asesa enene nansa na ebusua bi be man de 78 and oba no so de 72 years na lockdown we are yetimi ba adwuma na ade na papa ne yire it was so beautiful once our for mo wari do baby na mo nyi na mo gusu eware a ya na efese test on the police station here meti akuma lights na mi gina ye a papa ye si nyame so adom ne se wanyi 78 na when na hoden bi na wa hye ne sandals come bi ene ne car key jeans bi ene ne white shirt bi striped come on up on the wristwatch won't say yes okatachi a oni dressing no na ne yiri nso nwoma omu mieru nyina si form maami a hye slit come on tetedie ni bi na ne kabe come on wa hye ne portable wig simple makeup osi akuma oya fantifo mo ye fantifo nyame nhira wo ai aze papa hwe aze o kodo sometimes tell ni unde bi no fro wa no kasa na aze yempo ya worry for so many years Yeah, worry for so many coming here. They have been married. Yehovah. 78, 72. 40 years of marriage. Omugusu. Worry. Osi yetio, ye menyina yetio. Hey, ebi wo Germany, ebi wo ha. Osi, nyakoponi uye hu. Kodo ate. Na nyame bebi e kwa bewrama na me da o mase. Osi hwe. Ye pa no ba no, oye nwa. Me baba. Oye nurse. Ne nkrofo ba nan wanya virus ni bi. Enso nyakopon. Esumna. Edan nyame a oni wu hwamoda. Me baba. Me ba no wanya bi. It was on your leave or if you original. Yes, and piebo, na yerebo. And see how codo. My nangen. Uma kaya kada na punch start late. Na if you TV do cry about 1 year. Ye may pour up a fee. A fee opposite. What's one train fee? Ma meets me poor Johnny made and made nam city quite drop. Nancy me the can me the chance won't go fee. So, she, dear see. Very good neighbors. Now what dear, what ban no de na re na kuma so tia sam abramo. Na motimi atse over hours ma kan wie no. Na wa pe place. Papa e pon adwuma, okọ night e wo so obafia ahomache no. Na okọ akodi twa foforo. Wo okọ akodi twa foforo. Na ya wo de. Na wonim se wo ye. Ebetimi de ye obaba na obaba ma. Wonim se ebetimi ato. Adishimaima, judgment, punishment. Baby Yankopon so metinyu mu adru. Me da so tiase. Me nimu se wonya na wasase so ha ansa na wawu. Oba sakra ne o. Sakra ne. Na coronavirus abe. Believe you me. Ebe mo sidio ha na ba hye mo krom na adoma bobo abreme. Say ye presby sorry. Say ye Methodist. Say ye Catholic. Say ye other churches. Me lift ban hwe. Hwe nipa nya baabi no matena. Nipa nya baabi on magina. Because obia e de ne ho amanyame. Na de oti ase a na say ni. Me nka ne tenten. Hi on Adom 106.3 FM, the number 1 radio station and the number 1 program. Multimedia did 25 years. Nanka coronavirus ya ma anke gusu celebrate. Ni ashasi ache yeti for ni ahwefo niama. But then late. This too shall pass soon and we'll celebrate. Set me kwa na me nka me metie for as 20 years of ODO AHOMASO. And me myself 20 years in multimedia. Come be a very beautiful program. Amma wo momedi 18 years and above echo aware for mama isi sombe worry mama menopause and then kabe sexual and beauty enhancement program free na kama sa chemo ade aka ho enso de bebo mu. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Ade chimu asem nyame pe enunim obi enim enti se wo ya ade a ye ne yie na ehonte. If you have 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 8 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, yani says, I don't know what you know, a be in Sibium. Yani said, ye be in Sibium. So if you have to do it, or if it must be done well and excellently. Na anya kama. Na beto ne. Nipa bebre tim sum sei. And the moment maybe a new say. No more maybe so new say. Dear Sia, what's in a part 1 eh? Dear baby crab a money chrono. A chance, but Uche mo be featured. Said your neighbor your first time I would see ODO AHOMASO. And now him on Facebook. And now YouTube no. And now your first time. And I'm sure say you be touched. That's why I pop time be more. This is the time for let it go. This is the time for you to let it go. emi akwanta nyina wo fie and maybe ntimi appreciate wo mukuno maybe so timi appreciate wo omo yire mo wo sorry I was up isu sa by 30 minutes ago answer me be obabi afrem AKUMAA if he say me kun oba ye de bia phone so de bia wa nye business and so o ka say we person oni ni WhatsApp so and oni social media dia na ni buafu so so de ni age and so me no one man nine. This is the only time ankwale ebe hunu enti eja wuti fie ye den en na wuti fie ye den ikita hudi be na wono bond ben en na wo pese wo ne wo man enya. This is the time. Jansa no mona kru wudano dache wudai ebebo ego nipa ni bado jeni mafunu emre akwanta ebi mo use social media e de ye niam pa no wo de woda so ti woda dai mo a woda so eti woda dai mo a media sometimes metna say na coronavirus be see my dream mo a me se nyame it is good that it happened eye se esi se obi anim de obewu sana corona ya be obi anim de obewu asan ko be sisi ne ho can't be any was sisi no for coronavirus. Everybody was joking with it. Ye nyina were joking. Even Eastern region me kron kra no mu joke. Oh, why ain't me and then virus see na videos be cry ko bo mu form say dey dey nsan ye dey say sister eben yen papa ene mu so my adwen say me dey dey bibia ntimi sa to boasio order foi ya babu ba ya so obi ntimi corona from head to toe aqualantai will be na nyame obeye amana efefefe. Let me go right away to my Facebook and then start reading all your messages. But before then, no, my main to me bo na me na ayesika for gentleman capsules ase. Product dodo na ekasa AKUMAA yampa so hu ne mapa e na woton e de mayen ana abo hu de ro de mayen esiesie afie mu ate. Media is the first time I would see dia unya chance na ukọ Chrome ko pharmacy drugstore bia ubenya esikafo herbal product ibi na wonso ato na beboa na boa papa mesrew ebeboa papa e ma de ewom mmema de ewom ma monyem de mesre mo ena ye obi nso ahote a ni nyankopon etimi ben won tem. Cleanliness is next to godly na adwene emra making kan Facebook na me fa course no so e de aka ho but say de escafo herbal products for Emery eni ya beda mo se papa se munye enro nso motom wo papa e de enro ba ko mienu miensa ena enum e de badwa so e ma ni nyina no ano onam ye papa enti no se ope escafo moringa capsules ya order for pharmacy drugstore ubenye biato upadudu etunso ko kanhia ubenye biato if you say escafo moringa capsules eboa ma utimi didi ye afa siesie unipadua no e ma ne ye say fefefe abrewa ni ho akokran su ni ho na wunyi ahofeso na bibia aye kama sanso e na ko escafo garlic capsules inso no eno so etimi boa wo yiye papa eno de improve wo system no and afa cholesterol no e ma ne eba form je se siesie wankasa siesie o moje no ma bibia eye kama uko kanshi eni drugstore bi anso ubenya bi ato escafo cold capsules nso de erade kokoyi o unya escafo the garlic capsules here ebebo akaka papa se usisi na ewo ya ukotodwe waposo wa wuntimi nya hwe unya escafo cold capsules bi na wono mu a ebebo a o manatene ama watede ema yi atoye afenso de anti esi capsules eno so enya bad yo e mane keka sisi eni e mane yesi kama afobati abrewa virgin miri enya agro na so wodo je o max e wo ho abibia aye kama enti wonya eye anti esi capsules bi nso a eboa pa ma mu mfichire ko aye basa na Moniamo enye clear papa no eno so cleanse the whole system emana ayefefefe entimesre say iniama boy bebo de akwakope wo pharmacy and drugstore na watobie na kentinka nie kentinka yede ni memem enu ni o bema ye bema de a na wadwuma wo fifira wo tini wo sika ni nyina achi na ade asa na be miamia machi na mpese niema bi wo me a na ekese e wo semi hu ya wo semi hu pa se betimi awo me na mama ho atome na me kasa asesa na ma wo so na o ma ho fa asisi so bema ne bema o enti na edu mpem agrode ya wo so mama hu so ye bema nye de mesu na mo de meka se ne den kwenti na mesu menyai koso di mi wai ye emi do ai ho a enchiemu ho a infifi ho a na atwa ho aha na obobo gene so there's a bema no sikafo gentleman capsules CB. Tina unko a minute, only 2 minutes, 3 minutes man. Bobeko full 90 minutes. Full 90 minutes so usu keke. Erade. Kotine jina. And order grow, order for one, no for. Or the massage you na di jina so. So, to one friend say, Kwame Bedimia, a shemo, na was woje ho, ye die na, wo da hwa ye boss so e mo no there be, and ye die na enka mo there be, and ye die no a, ye dum kania no there be, the day a kania is said the wumi, gafidi gadochi, what won lie no, aha, now hen ni kosia, wakata so no akata, when run the news on fitness so na just say, what who said the oye, ni faces no, na aye kama, obi beranko pebinto, na ni kun, it's me 90 minutes, and fam mano. In no pama body nyina uko kanhia ubenye bi ato afen so aye Harold's Farmers Harold's Herbal Shop ubenye bi ato na Boache Herbal Shop ubenye bi ato Kingswalk Herbal Shop ubenye bi ato Angel Herbal Shop ubenye bi ato na Adom Herbal Shop ubenye bi ato ho and afa Richco Herbal Shop ubenye bi ato etufo enfriend na mesi 0244 096465 and I say 0244 096465 and na 0244 314211 0244 314211 wo de akonye bia ebeboa matumebo ena me chemu mu se adepa ene ton ne ho adepa ene ton ne ho enti medi mo asie awie na afei na obi aba wo ho afei na obi aba ende oh yeah you voice and question come me sound boy voice too but I mean kona me hwe their Facebook extra me I mean mo we kakra fa ma ona afei me fan set me Facebook enti so wo kiss bi abaki so yira odi no krama wo ku odi no krama for so many years married or ma just a second to doubt him or her no dear and you need to kiss and kiss him good. I'll get back to you very soon. Mwah.
Kiss me with your best kisses. Kiss me with all happiness. Kiss me while my soul cries. Kiss me, oh coffee. Kiss me and just say farewell. Oh, kiss me till dawn arrives. Kiss me with all your passion. Just kiss me. I'm feeling you. Kiss me without saying anything, coffee. Just kiss me. Kiss me with your best kisses. Kiss me with our kisses. Kiss me while my soul cries. Kiss me, coffee. Kiss me, just say farewell. Kiss me with your best kisses. Kiss me with all happiness. Kiss me while my soul cries. Kiss me, oh coffee. Kiss me and just say farewell. Oh, kiss me till dawn arrives. Kiss me with all your passion. Just kiss me. I'm feeling you. Kiss me. Oh, kiss me without saying anything, coffee. Just kiss me. Kiss me with your best kisses. Kiss me with our kisses. Kiss me while my soul cries. Kiss me, coffee. Kiss me, just say farewell. Oh, kiss me till dawn arrives. Kiss me.
Okay, so he's going to kiss you. You are going to kiss him. Now, kissing, you know, when no by this time, we're not kissing. I'm only teasing you, right? This time, they ain't kissing. And this era of coronavirus, there's no kissing. All right, you can just kiss the body. But, wait me a kiss if he, no for I say, abba, now, I see, now, say, now, when I say, kiss it, that you have to keep the place neat. What you say? But in yes, I don't kiss at all. Now yet the positions that I've given you. Now no ever bow ye papa. Order for yanko me de browse see enti ma men call Facebook here. Na men can come on someone na fei ma activate phone lines no. E de amamo na fei de dia to ye e ma bibia aye say come fe de me da se papa. And not from oh yeah. Nyami mudo echensika. This is the time my even say odo ye den chensika o the maestro ko jontwi. Emi ehu odo na emu ode no chensika no wate. Se mi jole na mu ameni aji mroso. Odo ye den sisika. Se mi mandie na mu ameni aji mroso. Mi do ye den sisika o. Mi do ye den sisika. Mi jole na mu ameni aji mroso. Thank you so much, Godwin. Godwin said watching live from Italy. Good work. Hi to my family at Asa Maikasi. Okay, omutie papa. Yao Samuel says, I love your program, Pa, and I love you too. Medasa James says, Mama, please, I need your number. I have a problem. Okay, well, problem. Bian, me WhatsApp number nini 0244 261200. Do a voice for me. Metie na me no a communicate wo ho these days no sa na be bobo mun sem ni nyina so. Okay, and Foster say hi Mama AKUMAA, God bless you for your good work and God bless you also for listening. Ejewa says if you are here and you are not yet married, pray that God will bless you with a fearing man or woman. It is very important. Don't just marry any type of person. God should lead you always. Marriage is when you're short, mommy. I'm when you're 10 sir. Why? Marriage is not for kids, and it's hard work. Indeed, our dear enough for more. You got to be hardworking. You got to be there when he's not there. You got to be there when she's not there. We stand in for each other. I wouldn't yet the before by heart. Actually, we crew now. I wouldn't yet by force. Some would say, "Was your fiancé? What's me candy? Will pay." I wouldn't yet by force. Someone can our cover and says, "I didn't need the amount." Look, the fingers are not equal. Only you want poor who cover them. Yellow by the no you will fear. I almost say, "Been me a lazy, and maybe a very lazy, and maybe a very very lazy." When we a crabby. Also, on your oh, a dang. One more see a says I own me so. And you want it. You went in one channel or back today. Parent says you are good, Pa. God bless you. God bless you too. Or say, Kwame say, so be Biara Emma the radio volume, Emma form. An African or something can't tell me. I can't tell me. Obiama the radio volume, Emma form. Stop calling me. Obiama the radio volume, no Emma form. Now for yen twaso and cop sa pepe. Na bibia and your come. Do I have a festival? Me ma call body board AHOMASO. Me dan seminia ba udin baby afrefree.
Pacho me do meeting.
O mo udin koso odo koso pa.
Pacho afenu me hammenam besan gacho.
How bia no bomodian so beka abutre mu ma radio ni ma from neka yenko why?
Pacho. Pacho me stand no. Uni wuku ana boyfriend. My sister.
Ono sister na wo ho. Ma already volume nemra form bio. Ma nemra form. Mentie wo ho. O de ma nemra form kwa na kasa. Why? Na enye clear. Ono sister na wo ho na de na asie.
Actually, I'm on point. They were market. And I could say a driver. But you could be a baby on coach. Baby, also the car say. I'm not a money. The piano that I made it. I'm sure feeling. Really buy and
coronavirus by anything.
No, it's a black mafia. No, family is a car, Eddie Jaw, Eddie Coffee. The baby feet are come market car, or they just coffee.
And to what I say, what's the stand? Niku ni kran say wo kwa adwuma wo nkwa adwuma. Na efa na okwohye. Awu ye de hu say wo sister kunu wo nkwa adwuma.
Actually, me ba pini ye be man. No ka chere.
Oh, I see. And I want to enti me anka nche wo sister.
Me say kakra o nfi.
Okay, you can cry on you won't tie. Yes, sir.
Because
oh, I see. I'm worried for how many years?
7 years now.
Okay. And see, but once I talk funny, people line so that why?
It's a little time on she found. The papa wait or the can every chicken.
Okay, into pe kwa ba fa so aka hye no
kwa me fa so.
Okay, say ne ba boy na girl no me pa cho tie me. Ne ba na o ka hye no wadi mfi ahe.
About 21.
Dio obo wa ma ne oba 21 years wo ho.
Actually can me be menu.
Okay, enti ene nsa entina se kan say me ba no Mr. Bana me so me ba ne ho. Te be ya mo video papa no. Na mo fo ma me no hwe. Afa no abehu de ekro. Why?
Odidi so do ma, odidi so.
Me say, mo kan onyin ni. Ne ba ma nso ntimi nka nche ne maame. So ati ase. Enti mo pe kwa bi na mo video na mo fa maame je na hwe. That's all.
Actually.
Be ya adwuma. It will work and it is working. Me that say. Adeshimaima ODO AHOMASO near with your one and only AKUMAA Mama ZIMBI. Air condition but when I'm on heat like this, I must start sweating. I'm just on heat. Consumption is so bad. Mema akua ba di ODO AHOMASO.
Adom so mommy.
Me that say be me na udin baby afrefe.
I'm bacho kofi po me free kaswa.
Oh ye kaswa.
Me bacho nyanko pa di mommy.
They say maso ayemre kakra de.
They say they ya so emre. They say they ka chi na me ada.
And ye mon nantem. Me that say it you.
Yo mommy I'm a voice now boy anything. Hey, I didn't remember be a pressure. Now ba what is the car? Aqua warren. Now the next one ways to INTA. Intimate ye mema a binum a husband. It will year down to me, then put a pan or petrol year chair winner. Now was a papa yerechi. Your best remember be more yes, almost a sound Musuban. Now it's out to ban with ye and ye. Walk of 4 be back about warriors ever chase in a quack. When a sister can shower baby bonnet. By Miss Mrs. Dano, ye panic chow. Ma wundi bonnet, honor the one son AKUMAA. Na a summoner. Ma one found for 20 enough of wedding crab him. So quite sorry, a bayman a quite sorry. One fan couple. Sorry, penny for any. And I say a bedroom or software any pona. Master, why I must say, Bayman. It makes Mrs. Danamo in the bonnet. I mean, money.
Madam, I say, baby, more be a munina mutie. Adeshimaima ODO AHOMASO near. Dear now, what can't ever obey. The afternoon, I want Nawadim. Already just 2 years of marriage. Mema Kwaba, the ODO AHOMASO.
AKUMAA don't so.
Me da se udin baby afrefe.
We wa down for odidini ba kwa maka waburi.
Me da se yenko.
Thank you.
Na unim akuma unim say say ade so ama ebinum awale asopa o.
Na me kan yo. Na ebi musu jimie.
Because bebe emman bebe ekwo adwuma me say omo mafie o. Nti say ale we atipu amanfo pa ma say awale asopa. Madam will be frame. O ka kire me say nanka na na san the 3 months ko aka ho aka beboa no.
Oh, and monya ready. Why?
Wow, you imagine.
Yeah, the koi die 400 plus die. Obi anya na adwen ye be ye.
Enti mesre sa ayale ya friends aba ama yakadem ama friends e bin awale so. We say ekona si ejaye ya enkoso sa. Oh, enkoso sa because o do enti na wale no say mo bobla. Na fe de way na ne ba ko ahye ne nsa. Me say woni ya friends akuma. Woni me say ebinum krampo wo dem a me say mo hwe TV kra no comments o.
Debio, tension. E wo dem ho.
Won. Nti ase mani Jesus ni fie. Won, nti tambia no oba na ha na be ma no so ha. Esa ne ma nko true. Nti mesre yemfa yale so na e friends ye jaye ya ya wale ni ntimi enko so sa na bibia ntimi yemfa. Ya friends akuma obi nto aso ai.
Me da ase papa. Obi na asane mi sa akuma. We are all listening to you now. O say ni kun ase ni mobile money ama obi. Who? 0302216561 0302216562 ODO AHOMASO nie me gusu srem mo radio volumes no emra form na bibia enye kama no man emra form kra na yenko why yo pacho udi ni baby afrefre all right mo radio volume emra form why yes and your Africa maso pena a kiki na so me ma ba di ba ODO AHOMASO
Akuma.
Mami.
Me baba no. Sema biboni.
Pacho say. Mami pacho man ti de o kan yo.
Me say me baba. Kacha ne say I ma wo ni body. On some mission. Ebi ato. Me aba nta. But ebi ato da enne. Papa no me mo wo mpo na oba
sa
nti me sere no wate
yo mami otie na wan che udi ni baby afrefre o
ta che se na mami wo la si
o ma ye da se papa
me sere ka che se tin ta da ton sa ni shere on sa ni ti radi ene ne ba me da se
me so me da se papa wo am so ya recording yana ne bakra esu e wo ne nchen e bakra esu wo ne nchen
me che pa me da se
yo me da se papa obesu di asanem sa akuma e free se coronavirus iba mi kunu ontan wo hye ne nsa me force nkwale na mo wo hye omo nsa na mo di su go pani so mo ofie mo nko ba bia nti ensa hu bebrebe no e hu hia na samre esa e jana wo de we hye wo mai mu a ti ma me no say the bufu an wa watch akra ni so no abone to and the so na papa na e de nkra na tuka na omo apie ha eja wo tan fie na nsa baboa na nkwale omo sua se de watch nsa no hwe pressure wo de ma wo yere ah you been because say akuma afan kwala mi nsa guga na papa yi etuka o eja yes remo this time no is not the good times. We are on the crossroad. And so be arrogant, be calm down. Miss Ramo, imani membe nyina yemra from obia. E kan obia. Ye fear no more in some na what te kwa na I don't want to be repeating them on this show. Ebi no my aso den. And no wu kwa wo de wunsu obeko. And no wu kwa wo light beko. And no wu kwa wo de wo dan beko. Wo de wo car beko. This is the time one. I was here be adwini akomemo ne yenkoso enye papa. Me ma akwa ba di ODO AHOMASO.
Ma dan so mommy.
That's it. My already volume na for my sweetheart.
Epacho good evening.
Good evening sweetheart. Udin baby afrefio.
Epacho yes let me patient because I feel school junction shara.
Wow, mo ho ye wo ho de.
Na me adem.
Yo, me that's it pa ye tio.
Oh, mommy. Ma me nyankopon hye na bi.
But sene akwa sene mtrachen ya wale sidi. Me pana show onya potre. Na ni na ya mpapo biko ne ma no mo na mama obo de aduru enenna. Ibikura no de aduru na yimi tum. So fanye mpapo nyankopɔ be ko ne ko ama. E mane nke kan chire nkrofo pastor for de ko chire ne nkrofo no be wi fu mo kure twomo e ka bitia no ba so fanye na so nyame nsa. Meda
Mesumeda say, all can answer utie ya. Was in petit moment in a tene, or be anim. Mema kwabo the ODO AHOMASO. Hello. Okay, when to me and so line na jammy say, Messer mo air, but so be ansoma ne radio volume and my form. Why? Mema kwabo the ODO AHOMASO.
Also, no.
Meda say, Bemen, now would deem baby free.
Nanani.
Oh, Nana, what to say?
Adom.
Yo, Nana, it's you.
I think I'm not doing because so many love yet you on the side.
I be your home.
Serious. Just say, or banning the onion. And he may call. Oh no, negotiation will be catching also. No, say, I'm going to can I think your best of my best in near the community answer. But the year Bearman is here no. And yet, Obana wanted to be a set for not so bad. AKUMAA, a member of the Sebi, a big suban, and and yo. Now, try to me, what to Tasabo, the come one day, not just a brabobe open saying, now for one.
Nana Edin Powell.
Oh,
because and two are da one could be so see uncle.
Only we are bar, it is only we are bar saga. AKUMAA, I mean, no, yeah,
me say, papa. Me say. Facebook, move from my name, making kind in Nadia, mamma. Monko some from Momo, a nimra. Me ma kwabo, the ODO AHOMASO.
Well done, sir, our mama.
Ah, me say.
You are coupe.
Yo.
Why do you find it Benny?
Oh, hi, don't cut at the same.
Yeah, you know, I don't call.
Yes, it corner and a
console.
Yes, a peer.
I said, I'm 2,000 plus.
Hey, Felix, show me your home,
728.
Pacho, show who ye, what?
And I'm not a bon some pie.
Slow your who so ye, mammy, why?
Oh, I'm not doing.
Then we're friend, Manuela, your bon commosa.
I'll catch him, I'll catch him.
I Mrs. Stan, hey. Also, I feel say.
Then you can let my baby feel.
Eh, Bema,
Corona, I didn't want to me.
You are home, I cry.
No, really, AKUMAA, in your bar, so I was a man, you. I never, but I know, I'm teaching to be a bumper, I'm a bumper, man, you're not each and she's okay, do not then. Don't forget it. Now, on board Bemano, the bishop of 1 man, yes. Because we did carry a ton and for them, the Indian boy, when I'm almost support. Oh, and now who is the neighbor also who run out say their way and now could be beer. AKUMAA, what you mean? Because of camp watch and a half for a said person. But don't be say, I worry. Most she's yet here. Only will be up for you up to now. No, if you know him.
Hey,
yeah, on him.
On to me, count.
Up to now, on to me, car.
When you watch it, and a baby.
I want to make up. I said, you know, I tell you no bad, the only about because Okazo Kuja area. Or channel when you are about doing on sort of a oh, and a man on one banner in AKUMAA. And form was our real. And form was our.
And don't win the back of funny surgery.
Only so I was the castle painting. Honestly, painting, and I mean,
sometimes the man there say, I don't see why we are worried. She comes with the internet Ghana. Now man 1 million. Kwalanka home. So the day the girlfriend posting her wife, you know. Oh, you know, man do also in Subana, they all be bad. A bonfire. So, Bani on your bottle, right?
Yo, Minia, may I say, my family last week call us, more second voice, and so now yen twasso. Me ma kwabo, the board AHOMASO.
Yeah, no, Mama.
Yes, we are drum, and who ye? Now, one swear.
That's a random book.
Oh, I can't take a crana, you're right, they are sorry. Now, I pay a bonnie in a fear. Why?
That's a question.
Yo, yet you.
That's a really mad. Maybe like Kosovo.
Maybe I told
oh, that's what Lenka.
As I said, yeah.
No, I told me was 5 years. And now far about that.
Why, dear?
But my one of my things, I should go sleep with a man or something. And I'm not into against me too. And to me, so much and friends almost me I'm far bad and I felt like sleeping with men and all of that. But me like me try to go it's an entity. It's a far bad and you know says and
me ba cho botai be na de si wani muntia up to this 25 on fa obada e bia no de botai bi si wani ma me hu ade krontia still on fa obada no.
I'm very prayerful person and I believe in the word of God that it's not allowed to do that and why not marry into so between the Sankaminya Yanka no I answer visa.
Beautiful, powerful, splendid. Etikasha wunyame se papa woye nipa moje di wo mu afusane na de botaya to wanim se nyame boa na ware ansana wo be break virginity no ase we nipa nti wo adwen mu ba koso bo mpa ese nyame hye wo den no nyi sane ma na emfi wo adwen mu na time wo de ahye wo ho say bia wo di 25 maybe by the year 28 and 30 and 27 and 20 na person ware no sa manenko feeling ne beba but tell yourself you Satan go away from me manifi wo adwen mu look enche enti ye adwumaden na siesie wo ho sie. And then you and as you do this, look for it. Manyankopon enyi oba no a oyi wo mfin pade baako e de nwene no manyankopon yi sa oba ne ma na omu na onno na nyamisro mra ne mu na ma wade enye kra behwe. There are young men like you who have got into marriage mo awade no efe ede champion for bebre o maware and yours can be the same. What
That's all I thank you. God bless you.
Bless you too, my son. 25 do me ba. Bless you. Say me me ba kasa na me wa kan. Hey, I call on the baba. Ba wo ka say me fimwa. Get away. I don't need you. Go away. Now one kasa wo full spirit na ba no. Now fire no breaking, no fire no breaking. Oh fire say breaking yoke. Now fire. Yeah. Now breaking yama. Me ma kwa ba di ba ODO AHOMASO.
Odonso.
Me dasio nana udin baby afrefe.
Oh, nya ma James News Pinterest.
Me dase ye chie.
Baby aboko de.
Na dumara kwa.
Se vie hu yi.
Me dase.
Aja ya quarantine hu shedem.
Enya grow.
Yes enter dem ti di short na dem.
Ah, na wuti dem we say na ekono.
Ah, ye ende ye fa nsa. Na nya ba na asam ka akra. Wow. But you know about.
I don't know about. Oh, Auntie Sakura is switch on.
Oh, my friend, back one and you.
Back on.
And about Colonel many about money in the management and former. No matter and time will be man.
Maybe you, Nihofe, a rat dead. Shine. Or
say, I don't
a year raddy. Yanko put in the baby bomb, maybe you.
Sir, Nihuna da. Now, just know, a new objection. The match is over. Sebi o wasa chimplan kwa the essence. Ni pa no ve obana ma kwa mpuno. Di pa so obama no samai en mo. Ti me senu ni aba ne se
so tia play man say o shana kumadin se ba ya kwa so ma atwenu ma tray ya fi se for credit no hwade se be man do no ana so no behu nti sa na so odi achi course abi man ye nyawa ne ma in fact e be hye so we are see akuma we are see de o
papa
we are see de papa men kan nada no me age am wo de be am ka ya ko menya ka me ya ko sama me age ni sama back to 28 years
wow se what if you
is me 50 plus
wow
we are see de
papa what we show who see
obi de see bia wonim no achi emewu won se na kuma din to so wari dia won so on paso ya on ma on pin wa create abu ke fo wan sana on wan tu gun abu so fon pan fo mu dia wadi wu no mo fe no mu tu no fo ko yi me man de bi o han fat e won wa me nyima de kwa wo mu ho a ojo yiru ho e wo mu se yi na ye bi o ya e ka sai na bebre ye bi but respect o yira o fi you chop money man o hwe no no se se su so aso ko bonten ne ko pen ka se ko bonten ni sero akuma minya ba no on tie de kama non de on se na kuma din yamda ye da celebrate
me so me da say papa do I have a caller there or should we read the messages? Okay, me for a last caller for now my kind messages now my boss second voice and I'll pick callers again me ma ko body ba ODO AHOMASO. Hello. Oh, sweetheart. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, my dear. Udin baby how free.
I'm about to make a free hacho.
Hey, that is Jabe. Say.
Mbom today.
Yes, we do more Japa.
Akuma meka sanam adie asem kakra bi ka ehia me pa.
Na manenko.
Eni se how ya abeto man so ye ade abai. Em se omuni ubi kasama no omno mu hia pa. Na kuma na sanne me kofa eniro wo krum. Na me hu se shops me bi ho anya tutum. Na ade a me were ko eni se ubum se sebe oma dwunim kan no. De da store na no sa kuma ekom na ekum wo. Obi makum no didi no sebe watu akun no afa pepa ho no adi. Me hu bi pa wo tudu e ma were ho pa ho na be kasa ma ya hwe yi a bra o ha imfi na o ma wuwu da bontin sebe o mu nyam wi nti o mu ye nipa ubu okwa na ya de na betimi ati akoda chi enyi se o ma boso me nkuno na ho na kasa ma won gender ministry me pa mu chadu na mu no mo ko ma won bi ndi wa bontin kuma me hu otudu drug lane nipa da ho aba na num se butum se kom na company wo da ho sebe na dwemu kano ho na be kasa ma no ya papa it's simple no tia o munti ni o mse se bom yi nipa o mu kan ho binti na akoba ne sa kuma e ma wero ho ya miya
pa chompeni 40 pa nti o medi ho djuma
o mutie dia o muni
hujuma minister ebe kasa mema ni message na ya hwede ebe ye
good o mso kan ho bi so ha kuma girl na sem ni okunu no ya na mema kwan edi ma no faso no eya edi enye hwehwe wo wiase te beta frache oba na wodi na chi no wonso yo oba de se wo yire na wa na wo no na e man bit more din otumu to ko she obi awade yentem o se awade no wo de how me awere ho ko to obi so na obi so be yi obi da cha ma ye wo ya na obi ni okunu ti ho na e ma na dwene fi ni yire nso na bia dachi anyi no e ha na wo de ba no ibitimi aba so na oba no so mo ma no were ho ibi kura na se bibi no oba no de ye be ma na e betiti akodachi na odi how betu bi ifi awere ho ne how e die na ohwehwe me ma sa bita pacha o mabu ko pe odie obi die no abehye ho na wo se na wade kuma nya ne ye ho enemies manusi
me dan say that ejabe me dan say papa yo mama can wait where Ohio USA. Okay, there's a caller there. Okay, let me pick it. Hello.
Yeah, hello, Akuma.
Mpacho kasa denka crowd.
Mpacho, good evening.
Good evening, my dear. Hi, ODO AHOMASO. It's because me mo akwa about the ODO AHOMASO you so ma ODO enso. Me mo akwa about the ODO AHOMASO.
Yo, ODO AHOMASO.
Me da say, ma woni so kakra.
Yo. Mpacho na. Me better kakra.
Ba woni wo form.
Ah, mpacho apemti.
An say e kosa.
Yo. Na mpacho ye atuma pukai. Esi pa na said you. Opa, me no ti. Me no ti pa ko. Anya odi mi famu no. Kuma me kachewa. Anyway, me wa ko me kwa wa me ndem.
Sa wo ho.
Na me kachewa.
Onim de obaye. Say wo ho me WhatsApp number no.
Mpacho daddy.
0244 261200 0244 261200. Your voice way from mama why? Tobo na your voice na mama. Wait na 1 2 3 4. First send me. Ya de baya adwuma. Why? Me da sepa. Don't worry, hey, Rad, me born na manana mo frame me. Me say munya me frame, munya de mo ye no. So I can read the messages here. Mama come back to USA, Ohio. Me nearby my Bismarck. Kojo says, I'm Bismarck and I'm listening to you live from Ohio, USA. What you are discussing today is happening here. My next door neighbor husband goes to work and comes very late. In the night, it has caused so many issues. Hey, and she's also listening to you. Yo, good work, auntie. God bless you. Omutie. At your way, AC time. AC o abrochre almost AC. Baby AC. And obi a friend we obema ketechi afre. Say adne ono kasa ne ra ho ho. Na me de WhatsApp la ya mani de obeto no boy recording no. Obi a wati bia record na say no na me bo. Kro na ya be mpese mo hu niam ACC. Nyame adom from the year 2000 odi odo ho ne awade ho ade to makoma so. Oh, multimedia training me afemu kama and someone no. It's happening. Near my see. And 2 person the crystal. Baby a crojin, baby into an system dear, and the near ODO AHOMASO. When yamre will quarter anumre, and me mean denumre, if you may not do a couple doom ye no. And chat TV so much started. And chat television, Adom TV, my son started. He said, my Jima homia bracket, fine. But coronavirus ninti, and I said because, and I said about enche. And yet, came what take all ya, number 7 mobile by bill, TV so. Now me de say Facebook on so stream live. Now YouTube you are watching me. Me how many Titian plan with mama and one of me gusu ewa hey. And see me holding on the callers now. Let me read the messages. Let me read the messages for you. Obi an sorry to know. Obi anyone sorry to no ewa na wadie mu anade oye mu nsohwe ewa adwuma mu ewa sorry mu ewa fie mu ewa wonu mantem wukru mu ntem unuane mu ntem ba san sorry ne ba edie na wusua firi mu odofo edie na wusua firi mu okay. Eric says good evening to you. Obin says hello. Obin biya morning. Okay. Daniel Emisa say God have mercy upon us. Okay. Abraham says I am late today, so I am faulting myself to understand the topic. I'm confused. Don't be confused. These couples have been married for 2 years, and the wife just realized that the man has been cheating, and she took her time and then saw all that was happening. She saw videos, she saw pictures on her matrimonial bed that the husband brought this young lady into their matrimonial room on the bed. They made love, and after that, the husband moved his boxer shorts to clean the woman, and then she saw all that. According to her, she's got the boxer shorts that the husband used to clean the sperm around that lady, and they've gone to discuss this with some other people, but the husband is not changing. She's so much hurt that she least expected that the husband was going to do this to her. So she's thinking, evil has dropped into her mind, and she wants to actually let the husband learn some lessons, because her mind, her heart has been crystal to this husband for 2 years that they've been married. She helps at home. She does so many things. And on top, she's also very beautiful. So what happened? And what is also killing her is one of the counselors that she went and lodged a complaint to has paved a way for the husband And then the girlfriend goes there after he closes from work. He goes there to go and make love with that girl before he gets home. And even this one too, because she's a prayerful wife, she saw all that. And the husband's her income or his salary is 800 Ghana cedis. But since he involved himself into this relationship, cheating on the wife, he only brings home 100 Ghana cedis. And now, as you all know, all over the world, this coronavirus has hit us all. And she doesn't know what to do again. That's what we are discussing now. So nobody is late. So let's go. Keep watching. Let's go. Right? Okay. Auntie Kumate Dory says AMZ, the lady should forgive him, her husband, and even though it's very painful. But if trust is broken, sorry means nothing. Okay, it's true. If your trust is broken, atepa se wukunu edi watem eche na damfo ana watepa se wo yire edi okunu atem ama ana watepa se wonu bi asmo kan so nye no kre ya me pa cho munya me frɛ na me kan messages munya de mo ye no oh okay Abrantia Hene Nana Joe say, Mama Zimbi, I'm watching you from USA, Massachusetts. You are too much. My dear, please tell the Ghanaians they should be careful about the number of the numbers about the numbers is going high. Oh, yeah, so it's going high. It's going high. Like I said earlier, it's actually going high. Maybe Sapia says, oh, very painful. Oh. Hey. Na says, good evening, Sister AKUMAA. Good work. Thank you so much. Abuaji says, oh, hey, Abuaji de me na ma to ho. Wow, be simu nya me frɛ me kan die. Oh. Abuaji me da say, so o de me na ma to ho why? Thank you so much. Me na ma na no Abuaji de ato ho no. And it's my WhatsApp number 20. Obi anya the voices me. Do it. I'll take my time and then use it on this show. No, bia ensua de emfimo. Kwame says, nice job. God bless you. God bless you also for making time to watch and also to listen. Without much ado, let me go to the second voice. ODO AHOMASO nie mumientie. ODO AHOMASO.
Si ampachonie wo mitimo pa me pesa me ye ne say ida say girl no box and pa girl no honsu no me di beye bibi asay girl no ana say me kunu na nkasa me ye ne bibi no okono ne oba foforo kohia onkem enu no me dwen hu say bia me ye ne sa na bibi tu na sa no ankasa hu no osori free mu a on di mi sa boni ni be because me nyo oba me dwen ne ho boni de bia all those odin se mo de bia me support no e ba na finances am support no pa ba se si asem sa na me pese me ye no ti me srew anadwo me nso metie o pa na maji me futu me da se
yo we de tie wan kase wo ku no na opese oye na de a okofa oba foforo na otia na otia na obekene no musem de oka ye ni adehimaima wen Sudan na woka wo ho ye nua bani ni oboa no ene ma he o ma he ne boa dodo no boa ba ye ya he ye kakra bi mema no so boa omo ya he omo ye kakra bi he ene metimi aseme bo na mama beti so na maka achro say mema ni bi nirimu miensa nirimu anan no mienu enso ne mpafo eye 20 baby osa onisa ne mpafo ne kono so ware wo 15 years ni 20 years ni 10 years ni baby a wo mo keko no menu abe wa wire house wardrobe no won fa nko hoda ohun kwa na ne buafu ohun mi ana ne buafu o se mi trinye nti efise wa mi ache Nesu ya onye sika na onti. Enti nene nyame abua ma ne nsaka kakra. Woseme nko. Efi se bia na de abedi ni sempo. Miti boninti na be fi ne nsa. Gbe hu wiase nipa ni marewo. Wiase man ya meni ma jenja. Jijemia kokume. Me mami nyompa watui. The soul should rest in perfect. Hey, and I don't think she's dead. Is she dead? Is she? Yeah, mami, do to new way. Me do for dada me. Okay, me refi. Maybe if she's not there, more grace to you, mama. Me refi. Some draw song. Oh, dada me oh. Me do for di me rewa. Jijimia kokume. And no na to me near bay. And na to me baby. And na to my chili bay. And na to me tell you. Inta for cry no boss ba kwa de ye na ba kun so wa de anya ye aden edi na mpesi esi edi na mpesi ehu obi a we 20 years wasi akoma ye me ya se virus ye ba ye na wo proso ni science nyama na me yira me wa no akoma me siesie no wate je me hu ade efe je me hu no say said the omo worry nyina chi dey be married for 20 years. I feel someone from day one, I'm waiting me sa. It's yami adum odo ahomaso nyina muso munyi. Ohun se niku ne ri aye wait pa o se say na the oban say oban tie sa no tie. I mean can't me kai pa those days. Na me did late in ade me da ho me did late in ade. Hey. One day na my honorable husband who was na who name say body nurse song and my shot here can see but someone say my treatment for my so sexy and I'm saying I'm taking notes and one I'm the exercise at what so from that time start me exercise me check how I eat I have been more beautiful more sexier and more inviting we share me say akuma me son odotie lean on me. We got to lean on each other. Nipa isi do otwa sa no nim se ne chia. Enti em na wo hwe se no we straight nipa no na we siesie nipa no na ese fefefe. Na de oda na wada. Nifa ne nkwa na enye. Na bi na benkum ne so ye. Marriage. We should be there for each other, baby. 0302216561 0302-216-562 and that's a 561. Misa activated the phone lines for the second time. I think metimi afa calls kakra beye 20 minutes. Yes, I can pick calls for 20 minutes and then ya tell last voice and so tiepa. Shall we go please? Me ma kwa body about ODO AHOMASO.
Hello.
Sweetheart. But just more done so.
Oh, done so.
Me that's udin baby free.
Me did it me ka jeto fa ko bere.
Oh nana, yanko.
Da biya nan buta se. Ndu bi kan shi ka ko wara ne tamfo. Shem ko wa ta da mi ata. Sa ke shi bi se ti ko da ne din yi di wa. Adintina e man se obano. Won cha dan se fun. Onene enna. Enji no be man fa kire ko fa oba foforo. Kana sisi kopi mpenifoni oba be man so nware oba ndim kaka ye ni enti aware nso ye ne kopo so mfaye te che ne biduru o ye ni enya ye ja oba life kura ma no ne ye chi be man ye ne kasa ya chen kwara mi nsa wo muntem sisi muja ya kwara no be basa ya kaka be man se no o nware oba ndim enti na no ye bai Negmo ye tumu be wa man no dada obani se omumi nko omukuru na asembi obi omunkoka
o dada na yire no
ai
okay
afidi be obani di kind of be man se mema
adai
ndi se woro obani din kwara na kwajo no maame no so abetrankra to bi atin baby o ti ase wona boya wo miensa ya tan din kwara Ankara fe ujai obana na nkora na beye basa because of empredi awakunyan empredi awakunyan so say free kurumwa won ke ndi mema ni da me chese adunu entina ya se mema uja manu sani ma woni na kitini penti na so enye
nane wo ba no ti krom ho no no nim se bema wo bema owani
woni mu papa se de mu kan
ba no oni maame oni eja
wo abusuafo wo pa
empenifo ni na busua ni mu
ye wo mu de kura se da brebe ma no be ware wo no so okay and in fact has been nsɛmbi se oya na di uwo ni maniema bi neba badia no mu ni ndi mema me yesu ehu yi we na asem frebusia fone no mo trase no monka ne bibia nto yi ni kwa zo pete ko fa afoforo akofa nsimbi bre aba ama wo ma ubija wo ma mama na nka ya basa we e ba so be no so bye bye
yo nana medase papa yo adeshima ma ya toaso me ma akwa abade ba odo ahomaso
na don se kuma
medase udin be bia frefri
ya we obi bi ni ba akwa maka wa bure
yo ene de mema ne dodo na efro ti mu
kuma se na ya ni din se mo no nji ye fra ye di fra na akuma hello akuma aha na unim de ya na man bi susu dwen unim se ebi susu kata o mani se ye friends o mu de obi kuna asa na mo so wo fe no ma se nya kukudu asa ka kire ye friends e be man se oh na se twa ba ko di ekun kwate
ayo o mu kan open plain
ebi nya kukudu ti mi ka sa de na je se de wo de ani den susu ko obi kun no so je se wo dwen ho a won ti ase o Wow, and that your friends say, if you know so, Akuma, your friends say, Wawali, and so no. Now, on us, and now for some, I'm on us now, Wally, and so I could be over what could you be crazy. And also, my dream, I'm in Jassy. And I mean, you by the so they may make a chance. So, Okasa, or could you be bizarre? Why is he doing any matter? And your friends, and you couldn't bear if you are, or more, dear, and besides, Mura. That dia ni won hu me hu a e ma wani nye na kire me na me fefa mfire ho bigidi se no so betimi aboa akuma me da ase
me so me da ase papa odofo me ma akwa ba di ba odo ahomaso
odo
me da ase me nua ba odi ni bebi afrefre
me do papa la especially ashama
okay it's you
me da ase I am a baby me no one know cancer. The church is main thing. Now so the Fabia will come.
And this is your year of glory.
That's it. My dear, and I'm talking medicine.
Okay, it's you.
The name Bema at Nambe Johnson.
What Matsna and Prachiana Sawadia?
Maybe in Plache.
Bema back on Plache 12 years.
Plache, my yaw back on.
What's why they?
Yaw back on.
Mao back on.
Plache.
Keonim de Oyama, Nipan Dawson. And see when you're home in Name, your voice from my wife. Your voice, what was I never brain so also. And to be from me, your call number way so 0244 26 1200. Why? Oma dia mesa boda mani bio obi a wasem we bia no your voice tobo na ye na kanokra nso kanokra wo mu me da se
na me wasem ba ko e ka kire dia oji obi kuno
pacho yo yenko
dia nam so a me ne be ma na be to yes na e obi kuno e chi na meji na me ko secondary school na enam so e ma me nya yare
onya yare
o sa me yare bi no na me ameka mo something bi obi kunechi
wow what you say do obi kunechi mo wanya yare I need your voice woni bibi nya botre men say no ye tobo ye fama me why e tobo ye ma me pa mebo yes nyina bete yo mate me da se papa nyame ya adoma fi ukwada memenda ukwada memenda ne de odama so bedo me de so no ankasa African watch on the thing say what di obi kunu achi wanya yade no say yade nti wa ka che ne ho say wonni obi kunu achi and obeka the real thing. Mami for me next caller please. Me ma call about the board AHOMASO.
Modern so mommy.
That's say money bem. Wouldn't baby free.
But I made abna make a free trade.
Abna. Bye enko dia grow. Wonim sa anyo to. All right. Can I say we are no atu amame?
What mommy? Mommy atmo.
Oh. Me ma kwa ba the board AHOMASO abna. Where the San Frebium. I think I can play some few callers. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Good evening. AKUMAA.
Yeah, obeka say Modon so. Me da say. Me ka say me ma kwa ba the board AHOMASO a. No wa jesu Modon so. Enti me ma kwa ba the ba ODO AHOMASO.
Modon so.
Me da say be me na udin baby afrefe.
Yes, me nana.
Yo, nana, yetio.
Yeah. Woman di na to me kakakra.
Yo, nana yetio kasa.
Meaning say or they not check. But the make answer and say Odo nyabo sir. Bibia be fireman. Ba mi anka samo problem kakra. Abese me no kasa.
Okay.
The phone no me ntimi nya WhatsApp call.
Or any about the poma yen why nipa dawson so.
Okay. Pacho meni obebi na ho no.
I'm saying na mo worry.
If I say asuna yesha worry. Bet oban kakra na go. Meka onti onye mehwi. Bet me se me done pa in the thing say odomiana ondo.
Ato wa ya de konti a ede abufo ne ba no.
Pacho mini business wa onka.
Awon na twempna efia he na bosumi ahe.
If I say 4 years.
Ugusu edi ni saa 4 years an ware no. Boshi mienu abem.
Dabi di ambem.
Ba sa won ne da.
Pacho ai.
What you promise and fill na che. Dada na che. Nana wo ya dada na che. Nana.
Dabi.
Yes, said be da na ba wa me wo se me wa o. Edumra ba wa o kama ni kodura. Na edana afa wo diskana na scanner ko essay. Na akọ essay. Afa ni hu na afno wo. O hu afno sabe.
Mi ankasa me ka kire nse. O ka kire me say me nkwa ni hu ambi. El makatin say odonya bremane mi ankasa me.
Once me a prophetess.
That.
Once me a prophetess.
Matias.
Enti ni bubefu. Asa wo dada no. E no no so was steady we hu. E bia ni nua no ko ja no.
Se bibi ni so ntimi nkan kire me.
Iti o ka kire hwan.
Minim no ni din komo. Minim no ni din komo.
Nana we din fi ahen.
Mo 30 years.
Onu so din fi ahen.
Me fan say obe 27
to 28, right?
Yeah.
Ejuma ben no ye.
Oh, first not on ade wo ye choba ejuma ba.
Aha, we get any di free wo. Na won so ye ejuma wa infa.
Me ni ejuma otama.
Enti she should help you finish your job in Tema, and that is all. So got is already obaba mo wedding no. But na kuma so ade a ono person be ne ho ade and de bia na o prosper no nya abotre after 4 years. Onya abotre competent be de jani die. Nana. No, listen, I'm serious here. I am very serious here. Wouldn't say wonya ready. So be ne ho ade a and de montwe mpra no. Na mo yi edie ni frame. Because
my serious
Obi be say na say me ya fe ni. Enti wo ye na hi. I'm telling the gospel truth. Christopher promise and say coronavirus if you the next 2 weeks me on de ni mama Tony na mo bobo mo ho and see how she will change. Wouldn't nipa na ma 8 years, 6 years, 5 years, mo worry no. Why choba no who go di ni twa no.
Mama.
And you don't say obi owa university and a businesswoman be. Oh yeah, more choba ni nyina wudi. Sometimes what me dey aduane be fi amudi bi.
Eno mama me pacho say me ka chere say me say du kuku busafo ansa. Na me nya list. Enso a eno so no say this say okoyin straight.
Wo pese ko hu ono oba na busuafo ansa.
Na me nya list.
Na wo nya will.
List.
Oje list.
Send your man you better for ya.
Since when I start to say o kan sa ade no.
Oh my catcher.
Nti da 4 years nya wo ni mama mo ni papa wo ni mo bia.
Oh meaning obi.
And then in say you are serious. Now we na still on pesa ade a munte immediately. E ma ne twene nko anya wo de ye say dufuade edufudi ade wo hoi e wo wu afa me da se na.
Me da no.
Me so me da se pa. African, I'm ready for call, please. Yo, Odo AHOMASO nie.
Madam,
me kan say de tie. Me ma akwa ba de Odo AHOMASO.
Madam AKUMAA.
That's your batampa wouldn't baby free.
That's a free aguna surgery for me, Hannah.
Oh, Abawa Hane.
So, the men will do Abawa.
Mama, Srune. Auntie Hannah, it's you.
AKUMAA.
Mammy.
I am in Zimbabwe, you. And by Yana, one time fool. Let's catch up, Madame, who be said you'll be a best na what in your old dinner near. A very mobile. Then, man, I worry, mammy, no, dear, much let be back, kitchen back, call back. No, mutim, not it here. In Zimbabwe, here, you won't catch a papa. Na ya ye hu boni ye di hu me na wo koyi mu emma ye di hu me na papa wo koyi mu na da se
yo me so me da se aya na emma ni bi se ade we mi enka na we are not our own enemies. Yes, indeed, we love ourselves more than we be enemies, but ba ku mienu bi oya mbe hye mfimfin no mo mu sai omo maka ni nyina pe ma mienu ema du ema 100 just 10 of them how many people boni for be same on be eko no nyina atete just 10 100 10 against 90 on be say bibia. That's what we keep on saying, say we are our own enemies, but God forbid this year 2020 with this coronavirus all over the world or bebia besesa be bebia besesa. Amen. Me ma kwa ba di Odo AHOMASO.
Hello.
Only me last but one. Me fa ma fa last one. Me fa call e bia biom. Wodi baby afre fi Odo.
But me fa fit this thing.
Yo, ye fra say.
E fa me nyame che.
Ah, nyame di a che papa yenko.
But no problem ba me sorry ne wa. Ntim pese me ye voice me ne the WhatsApp, but me ni WhatsApp phone ntim otna meti me ni phone dia ye.
Yo, yeah, mammy, pa, what say? Every voice mail bia meti, I'll listen. Meti, the grace and the energy and the favor, Semechi. I will listen. I will listen to all of you. I will listen to all of you. Nipa the echo in the 21st century. Dear echo, with all this education, yet me that's a so. Yeah, my minimum recrass after there was no computer, there was just radio crying. So many things. What the anye say? Says here education number that we know what time it is. Hear the echo. Very last one, please. Odo AHOMASO ni adeshmema me koso da mu nyina se moya mana ye fe mo message cement mi ankan ni nyina ba dodo na makan mutie nyame ya dom afi Wednesday Saturday Wednesday ubeti voices ubeti niama koso ba me sre wo de ba mebo enti kanokre ne ewo mu no esremo obi anka nokre Wona wote wade ho. Wona papa ewu. Wona ana ewu. Wona wo hina ewu. Wona wo papa ewu na wo so onwu ya and ye se wale o. Enti wo kan ye. Can ye straight up. Me very last caller.
Hello.
Me ma kwa ba di bo AHOMASO.
I don't know.
Me dan so
Felix.
What's that?
Make a supplement. Felix.
Felix.
Medina.
Oh, Medina for what to say?
But you're not me.
Yo, Yanko Felix.
But you, you playing Katra. Now, me so what's up? In the minimum, come fast why be up, Casana to the mayor.
But down for be there. O baby dear pe. Now we are now what's saying ya mammy? Why?
But you matter.
Nipa no so ba gini phone aye nipa wo gini die. Ah on kote ho enchire obia so ho.
But you.
Aha, me da sepa.
Yo.
Adishima mama ya mana ye fedodo. Why ye amana aye fedodo. Maka mo nukura nyina amana adadi. Sebe ka fra nya me ne mo nete. Anya me ne mo na eda. But the edi munye jojo mo de come koda nei anka time a quarantine emra be ya ye nim se baba left bani na bani ye yan left na ye extending no anka wo so bia adwen boni bi obia anka wo so sie no na omane mapa ekọ na oba hwe ni kru anim no de boni che no na okru hwe oyire ni no de boni che no na enna ene emma enye baako eja ene emma enye baako na abusua enye baako eni se woti kumase na oba wo Cape Coast na wonya virus ibi wunyanka wo nchen wunyanka wo nchen na bewu ada enti anda ne fa adwen ba akonye na nyame abo na wo madu na wo donnum na wo tan num woye mame pani woye japani e ba atopa de bebo ni nyina edu nkwala nso hwa na ya asem ena I say de wunyame sumponi adan ede ne asie enti yempa adepa yempa asumdwe yempa adepa enya asumdwe awo menuanom me domo wate mumienya abotre hwe obi diwachi wusu ensoi na nka ye futi ode ne boko na waso mu ode ne boko na waso mu na ode wo kọ afa na sidanie na da petwa pa ni enchene ni peru fiatie mekai 20 years nya me yoto AHOMASO na emu was some of the years na papa bi yare papa de ne ye ne manfo so bananka ne yire na mpesi kan ya fa ma kane kuiwi o jini kunin kwa ba de chire kwa fa so a onye sika na jini kunin kwa no papa nya ahoden ba ye 3 years e chire na ade ne tormente oba no ha no because onye bida e na o ka chire ni kunu papa ne sire na o he ne saa anche busu mienu papa ise otukun abasa na o ko oba ne krom akoka bibia chira oja oba ise ya enti niam saa no na ojeni kunu nkwa na ya na sa ohwema ne wuye na nkeye e de ne baaye okwa mo bi fa no e na onye scan na nya ne pe ba sa na nipa ne kan ye because ono so kwa wan kasa ni kunu na mo se ne ba ewu ani opeska ni nipa nsi sei e no di no discan ma no ti na to ba ne so na ohu de wonye min kasa de oye ne ya de pa na wo de asem cha na de na de ache na mfa wi nche mu aya mo pese mo de asem che mo pese mo jemu mo de mirika ebu aten bisa se sani nyankopon kaso bebu ya aten a anka coronavirus anka metu obi a watesifas as is all over the world anka metu mumye nyenya abotre eye pass virus aba yedi suane ma bebre yedi siesie ho we mu no bi ho se sana savings yesa sana wo wontete pa de ma wo ma ena yesa we so se awododo no mentie Mr. Manye mani anya adwuma me na mentimi hwe omu yo enti emra ebin mu efi aso a bibia akọ kama no na wo so na wonya nu ho na wo ba no so na wagya ho Me kwati ameti those days in my baby say uku yo bia person uku nko for ba bia wa bonten ade bia ja no wo sa ti no mugu so when can say no 20 a onko di obi wa bonten because ono 20 sila untimi se umma hu sisi ho so on check yourself my body ni sisi ho so it's now why any time unya niti biom obefia na esukuta he will go out and do whatever he wants to do. Those days, mommy saw Ubadu, and to Ubadu. One corner me wo, and to a million. Umi say Adrian. Ben Cassani Bebre, a Reverend Prince, your son Abba. And you have a jamachi, Namidi a mano. Na ono so atraso or den pipe on the betraso but sema 2 hours see in come plan me no boy ni na gospel. It is gospel I have preached to you. Nyamini pan so baba, you can pick up the microphone. Nyamini pan so ba no baba betraso. Reverend me say na wo ba na wo tie dia.
Me tie kakra.
Na wo tie kakra.
Yeah, the tail end no. Edin ye Prince Nyako.
Na me kan yosin ho.
Ya na on afa ba ko na on afa yosin aka.
Baby yosin and na Tego sisters. Omukuna ba ko kuna mabodi. And the Reverend Prince yosin I salute you. Me hu na check akra.
Ono ni Prince mo the Reverend
Prince Nyako.
Yeah.
Now forgive me, right?
No, come on.
Okay, I'm on, baby. Look, baby, I'm on. See, I'm on heat, baby. I'm on, eh?
Amazing.
Yes. Also, till end.
Yeah, the advice you've been. In fact, the Lord has been using you for the past 20 years to repair families, to change lives. And the last me kind of say, you are the love doctor. Beyond the grace, I may not be able to go down. I mean, I aspect cry, and many pastors cannot say what you say. Your bomb pious and your main coso and found yet.
I'm humbled, may that say. Yo, introduction my ma. Me the Reverend Prince Nyako Eddie Jamo, baton me the amano, or trust me being so baba twaso. Na kai say, do me a new boy, na ye rade. Sound from an abo. I'm a bobona a mini, I'm a we pie, and ye nyafa hudi, ye nyafa hudi, ye nyafa hudi, ye nyafa hudi. Amen. Okay, so you continue for